Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Sybbex platform. So if you don't know what Sybbex is, it is basically just an investment company. So it is a company which you invest your money in, and in the hopes of making more money from the money you invested. And as you can see, we have it here on Trustpilot, and they are rated 2.2 out of 5 stars, which is poor, for 21 reviews. So right here, stay out of these scammers. Stay out from these scammers. My savings would have vanished if I did not report these guys to the details at this username. Terrible experience, but lucky enough, Mr. I don't know who this is, helped me successfully get a large portion of what I almost lost. Very big scam. I encounter a few unethical individuals who seized my deposit and refused to let me withdraw any funds. Fraud. Closed. They just vanished. Don't risk your money. Sybbex scam. So please do not invest your money here. There are a lot of people who are saying that they're a scam and they cannot be trusted. So please save your money and do not invest in these scammers. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.